So for the first problem, we have 1 over x squared minus 6x plus 8, which can be simplified to 1 over x minus 4 times x minus 2. And then using partial sums, we can get integral of a over x minus 4 plus plus b over x minus 2. And then so a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 4 should equal 1, which we get from the numerator. And then you can plug in 2 for x to get 0 plus b times 2 minus 4 equals 1, which is just negative 2b equals 1, so b equals negative 1/2. And then you can do the same thing for a, where you plug in x equals 4, and so you get a times 4 minus 2 plus 0 equals 1, which is just 2a equals 1, and a equals 1/2. Then you can plug those back in here to get the integral of 1/2 over x minus 4 plus negative 1/2 over x minus 2. And then you can bring the 1/2 out to get 1/2 integral of 1 over x minus 4 minus 1/2 integral of 1 over x minus 2. And then once you integrate it, you get 1/2 the natural log of x minus 4 times 1 minus 1/2 1 over natural log of x minus 4 times 1. And then you can bring the 1/2 out plus c, the 1/2 out to natural log of x minus 4 minus the natural log of x minus 2 plus c. And then using one of the logarithm properties, you can get natural log of x minus 4 over x minus 2 plus c, which should be a. And then for the third one, the trapezoidal approximation is just LRAM plus RRAM over 2. So for here we have, for the interval 2 to 5, we get 3 times 10 on the left plus 30 on the right over 2, and plus 2 from 5 to 7, the width is 2, times 30 on the left plus 40 on the right over 2, which cancel, and then plus 1 of the interval 7 to 8 over times 40 on the left plus 20 on the right over 2. And so this simplifies to be 3 times 40 over 2, which these cancel, and you get 3 times 20, which equals 60, plus 70 plus, so this is 60 divided by 2, which is 30, and so this equals 160, which is C.